Welcome everyone to Tim Reviews Everything, guys. Another Chewy.com product today. Before we get to that, if you guys can subscribe to the channel, guys, leave any comments, any questions down in the comment section. I try to answer what I know. Give me a thumbs up, and if you guys can share my content, I'd appreciate it. Remember, I said that in the fall and winter, I'm going to be slowing down with my product reviews, only because I review whatever we buy for the household. I do not get paid to do reviews. I do not get paid by companies. They don't send me products to use and then review. That's something I'm hoping, comes in the future, but I got a ways to go. So like I said, guys, another Chewy.com review. I was getting ready to order dog dishes again for our other dog. We got a third dog. I have two of these that I'm going to be showing you today. They're elevated dog dishes. Guys, this day and age, to find something that's affordable and well-made is pretty hard to find. There are so many companies overcharging for things. Like my Wendy's breakfast sandwich I bought this morning. It's not even bigger than my 5-in-1 brownie. I paid almost $5 for this thing. But that's a different story. All right, guys, so on to the review. So it's a Frisco Pyramid Elevated Dog Dish. This is on Chewy.com. They come in a 2-cup and they come in an 8-cup. I have the 8-cup. The 8-cup goes for $21.35, and then the 2-cup goes for $15.19. So I'm gonna get the dish right now. Like I said, guys, you get 2 dog dishes, stainless steel. Clean them within minutes. You get that ring around with the gunk if you serve dry food. You could do dry, wet food, it doesn't matter. But these are nice stainless steel dishes. Sorry for that loud noise, but these are nice stainless steel, good sized dishes for my dogs. I have 3 pit mixes. So they're bigger dogs, and this is more than enough, just to give you an idea of how much dog food this holds. And then you got the rack. The rack is coated metal, it's wrought iron, and it's made real well. We have 2 of these racks. Like I said, I'm getting ready to order the third. And once again, guys, this sits up plenty enough for my big dogs. These literally just sit in here. They are very nice, dog dishes. You can get really expensive with these elevated dog dishes. People try to get real fancy. If you ask me, this is like modern, with the black wrought iron. So, to me, this will go good in anybody's house. But like I said, I'm getting ready to order a third one of these. I just want to do a quick review on them to let you know that I've had these for probably about, I'd say a year. I probably had these for about a year, and they're great dishes, guys. I mean, come on, 20 bucks for the 8-cup, 15 for the 2-cup. You have a smaller dog. Now the smaller dog, I'm going to put the dimensions in the description below, because I would imagine if you're getting the 2-cup, the height of it, it's not going to be the same. So I am going to put those dimensions in the description below. So please read that. I will even point that out in the description. I'll put 2-cup in the height and 8-cup in the height down in the first row of the description. I'll look that up myself, so you guys have it right away to look at. But guys, Chewy.com. I've done other reviews on this. I've done the cat litter box. If you haven't seen that review, that'll be in the description below. I've done a pooper scooper, which turned out to be poop. I put that in the description below. That thing snapped into 100 pieces. I didn't send it back. I just threw it away. And then I also just did a review on Chewy.com itself. So if you got, which I think I am actually wearing the same shirt, but if you guys have actually not seen those Chewy.com reviews, and I'm sure there's going to be more to come. I got 3 dogs and a cat. We are constantly ordered from Chewy.com. So I actually got cat food and dog food on its way now. It should be here probably today. Please stay tuned for further reviews, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one.